Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be comparing two popular USB microphones to help you choose the best one for your needs. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and comparisons. Both Blue Yeti and Piolunth USB microphones offer great sound quality with wide frequency response. However, Blue Yeti's custom 3-capsule array produces more powerful broadcast quality sound compared to Piolunth's 16mm mic capsule design. Blue Yeti wins this category. Blue Yeti's flexibility in pickup patterns with 4 options, Cardioid, Omni, Bidirectional, and Stereo, makes it easier to record in different scenarios requiring multiple mics. Piolunth, on the other hand, has a built-in cardioid capsule that captures sound directly in front of it, which eliminates background noise but lacks versatility. Blue Yeti wins this category. Both microphones come with adjustable stands, shockproof frames, and cantilever brackets. However, Blue Yeti's pivotable design allows you to position the mic in relation to the sound source, giving you real-time feedback for optimum sound quality. The onboard audio controls of Blue Yeti also give you more control over your recording experience. Blue Yeti wins this category. Both microphones are compatible with Mac, Windows, and Linux, but Piolunth takes the lead with its plug-and-play feature, making it easier to install and use without the need for drivers. Blue Yeti, on the other hand, needs to be connected directly to a mic stand or boom arm. Piolunth wins this category. While Blue Yeti is priced at $89, Piolunth is priced at a more affordable $45. If budget is a concern, then Piolunth is a great option without compromising quality. Piolunth wins this category. And that brings us to the end of our comparison video. It's clear that both microphones have their pros and cons, but ultimately it comes down to your specific needs and budget. We hope this video helps you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.